Hello everyone, today in this video I am sharing about Microsoft Whiteboard and how to use it in Teams meeting. First, let me open Teams app. Here I have already scheduled meeting for demo purpose. I will join the meeting. I will also join from students account. Yeah, I did from one student account. I will also join from another account. Join. Now you can see two students in meeting and I am here as a presenter. Here you can see share icon. If you click share icon, you can see desktop or share screen option. If you select screen, you can share whole desktop screen. From window, you can share the specific window or window of application you are using. Here you can see PowerPoint. If you click these PowerPoint slides, you can present. And next, whiteboard. Today I am sharing about whiteboard. You can click this whiteboard. It's loading. It's in process. Yeah. Here you can see get the Windows app option and open the app. I have already installed, therefore I can open the app. If you haven't, you can get the Windows app. You can install it in your computer because this Windows app have more features than we are using here in online. We can get more features in this online version, but if you use desktop app, that will be better. Now I will open in app from here because I have already installed this in my computer. You can fix the screen. I will set it as previous one. Yeah, this is desktop whiteboard app, not online one. Here you can see different icon, pen, eraser, highlighter, lasso select and insert menu. If you click here, you can get more option to paste content from any other apps, insert image, text, note, list preview, template preview, Bing image, camera, sticker, PDF, Word, document and PowerPoint document. Now let's check few of these features. Here I will click insert image option and select one image from here. Open. By this way you can insert pictures in whiteboard. You can insert like this, and if you want to rotate or resize, you can use this option. Just click and drag. This whiteboard would be better for touch screen devices like Surface laptops. Now you can also use ink grab here, copy to make duplicate, more option. Now I will delete this and try another one. Text, you can type here. Demo class. By this way you can use keyboard also. Next, we can use note. You can use these nodes in single tile as well as grid view. You can also use in grid preview like this. You can add new one here, add note. By this way you can add multiple tiles within these nodes. I'll remove this now. Next we have list preview. You can list here. You can write in list form also, list 1, list 2, like this. You can list. Sort list also. You can get option edit region title, copy, change to checklist. By this way you can change to checklist 2. Bing image. Template preview. You can use template previews as shown here too. Next, Bing image. You can use Bing to search for image as in Google. You can search image directly here. Teams meeting. Any image you can search and insert. You can select any image and insert in your post. Yeah, by this way you can insert pictures too. Next we have camera. If you have camera, webcam attached or camera of your laptop, you can use it. I don't have here as I am using desktop without webcam. I can't show this. Next, sticker. You can use stickers. These types of stickers can be useful for online classes. You can drag and reposition these two. Next option, PDF. We can also insert PDF. I have one PDF file here. I will select it, and if you have multiple pages, you can select insert all pages. I have only one. I will select insert selected and resize it. By this way you can place your PDF too. You can insert Word file also. Similarly, you can select Word document, locate the file where you have kept and place here. Currently I don't have any here. Next, okay, here you can see I am inserting one Word file. Insert. By this way you can insert Word documents too. This text is in Nepali font, therefore it's not displaying properly. If you are displaying Nepali content, then you need to change to Unicode. You can also insert PowerPoint document. You can just click here and select the file you want to insert, open. From here you can select specific or insert all slide. Here I am using one. Insert selected. By this way you can select your slides item and insert in your board. These are the tools we can use in whiteboard. Beside this you can see undo and redo option. You can undo and redo by clicking here. The top you can see setting menu. From here you can manage settings. You can also export this board as image in your computer too. Here I will save in desktop demo. Here you can see image is saved. By this way you can save your whiteboard in your desktop too. If you are using for math class, you can use graph, or you can change color to. Toolbar location, you can change the location of your toolbar. It's here in bottom. You can change to right, left. By this way, clear canvas, you can clear the canvas too. Okay, here we have created. By this way you can use Teams for online classes. You can scroll it and add content below too. Here you can select. Here I will insert one. Desktop science grade 10 book science. I have one book here. I will attach it here. What to do? You want to select all page or specific. By this way you can select specific pages and insert. Here you can see, here it's done. You can delete, move, and place where you want. Drag this. Okay, here you can see two lines which are made by users. How to control users to make any changes in your board? You need to learn these two. Here let's see. By this way students can use pen tools or any other tools and interrupt you during online classes. Therefore you can set the settings from here. You can move to roster and manage setting. Here you can see can edit option. You can just change it to read only. For this student also you can change read only. By this way you can manage settings or add participants from roster. Now these students won't be able to make any changes in your board. They can view but they can't write. Same here, you can see here read only icon is displayed. Again if you change it to candidate, that student can manage. Yeah, now this student can again change right here. You can just click this setting. You can change setting here. Add participant, invite people. From here you can search for anyone you want to include in your board. As we are using it in Teams meeting, it will be accessible for everyone within team, but if you want to add more people within your board, you can add people from here. Now let's get back from here. Here you can see board, whiteboard meeting. This is Windows app. You can see whiteboard meeting here. You can just export from here also, delete. You can also preview other boards you have been joined or you have created within this list. By this way you can place your board beside your Teams app and observe your student while using board. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, do make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Okay, thanks for watching.